What's up guys, Manuela Vincent back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a free opportunity which will allow you to earn an instant $5 commission, right? I'm going to talk about Guaranteed Downline Club today. But before I get into the content of the video, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, you're going to find I talk a lot about how you can make money online from home. I'm going to share with you business tools that I use to be successful as an affiliate entrepreneur. I'm also going to be sharing with you things that will motivate and inspire you to be better people, better business owners. Okay, guys? So if any of that resonates with you guys, go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're going to get a notification when I do put out another video. All right, guys? So like I just said in the beginning of the presentation, the company is actually called the Guaranteed Downline Club. And basically, they're paying you to build your downline. Okay, so yes, most of the things are about building teams, but in the instance of this one, it's not so much about being an MLM. It's more, which is multi-level marketing. It's basically just building people underneath you at the ground level. And the more people you bring in, when they actually do this whole full launch of this program and get us into a paid program, that's when we're going to see a lot of money coming in, guys. Okay, Martin, the owner of this, talks about this a lot on his webinars that he does every week, and you would be part of that as well, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just basically take you through the back office a little bit. This is a really simple thing to get started with. Again, the description will be in my the link will be in my description down below, guys. And all you gotta do is just click on that and sign up. Again, you're gonna get an instant $5 commission. And that's another thing that I wanted to bring up there. That's one of the premises behind these people initiating this system, is because I know a lot of network marketers, affiliate entrepreneurs have a lot of trouble when they first start on new things, showing proof and results, right? A lot of us use other people's results until we get our own. Well, with this particular one, it's very simple because you're going to be able to show immediately that you're getting $5. You know, you got a $5 commission for joining something for free. Who does that? There's no other opportunity out there that will allow you to join for free and get an instant, immediate money in your pocket, okay? So that's another way to approach this if you're having trouble thinking about who you're going to market this to. But don't worry, guys, I'm going to go into the back office and there's some resources back there. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, in the description of the video will be the link to this opportunity, guys. You can go ahead and click that and it'll bring you to a sign up page. All you got to do is create your login information, and then we're going to go right in and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is your dashboard. Right now we're at 23,522 members that have joined. I joined this right away. It launched about July 6th. I signed up. And then there's something called MPI. Out of this system, the only thing that I'm going to ask you to definitely sign up for, and it's a one-time fee, it's 20 bucks, is the money plugin, which is MPI. And I'm going to show you what that is and like why you should basically get that. And how that's going to maximize your income potential with this opportunity. All right. So I haven't been promoting this as much because I'm involved in many other things right now. But I want to tell you that this is so easy because, again, it's free. You don't have to pay for anything except for the MPI. And you don't have to, but I'm recommending it because I'm part of that. And you want to make more money. If you want to make more money when this thing fully launches and they get to the paid programs, that's when we're going to be seeing a lot of money come in. Okay, guys, so you want to get in on that. So what I'm going to say here is, of course, this is your dashboard. MPI is 1997 one time. This just shows you what your balance is. Now, also, as an MPI member, before you'd have to wait till you get to 50 bucks to cash out. Now it's 25. So when you get to 25, that's when you can actually cash this money out of the system. All right. And they do pay monthly with this. So, I try to keep my money in there. I don't want to keep taking anything out. I want it to build up. Now, there are some resources back here. A couple things I want to show you around really quickly. So first and foremost, you have your referral link. This is what you'll use. down in the description, you'll see my link, and that's what you're going to come to, and it will bring you to the whole system and how to set it up, etc. Okay, so you'll do that. And then in here are some resources. Now you might be saying, how can I promote this? I don't know anyone. Well, first of all, think about it, guys. Who's not going to want an instant $5? That might not seem like a lot, but to some it might be a lot, right? And it's free. You didn't do anything but sign up and you got it immediately into your account. So these are some ad swipes that they offer us to use. I've used these and I've gotten results with it. Matter of fact, that's how I'm getting my signups to this, is through my email list. Okay, so it's because it's a free system, and all you gotta do is just sign up. Now, every time you get a referral in, you get 50 cents more. So initially you get $5. Then every time you bring in, and it says it right here, you get 50 cents for sponsoring free members, and they're yours to keep, right? Then you get 50 cents each when the free members are passed up to you. So that's why I'm saying you want to get the MPI, because you don't want to have anybody passed up to me. So I'm recommending you get the MPI. It's only 20 bucks one time. And that way that'll start building up. 50 cents, guys, might not seem a lot, but it does add up the more people you bring in. Okay. And guys, if you feel like you're getting value from this video and you want to learn about my #1 recommended way to earn a full-time income online, be sure to go to this first link at the bottom of the description. Go and put your best email address, and with this opportunity you're able to make anywhere from $100 to $2,000 per day, 100% commissions, and it adds up quickly. Now it's important to know they're giving their money away for free to us because they know how hard it is to in this industry and how hard it is to prove that you're making money right away, and that's why they wanted to do this, and they're giving back to everybody because they're very successful. So keep those things in mind as I go through, but these are some of the ad swipe they're giving to us to promote. So there's some, and then they do have weekly training. These are our weekly webinars. They're all back here. If you missed one, you can always go back. They've been giving away gift cards, Amazon gift cards on these webinars. How to make 100,000, and there's training involved, making 100,000 if you do this for free, right? They're talking about the future. They're trying to really make us get as many people in now, because by around January, February, they're thinking that they're on track to hit about 100,000 members at the free level, and then they're going to get into paid members, and that's when the money is going to really be unleashed onto all of us who already signed up. So that's why it's good to get in on these when it's a ground level opportunity. So just wanted to throw that out there as well. Let's see. So again, there's testimonials on here, member shoutouts, there's FAQs if you have any questions on how to do things. There's also, again, about the money plugin. So this is why it's important. The money plugin, you'll watch the video. Do you want to make a six-figure income? With the money plugin, you can double your advertising results. Plus, you can make 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, or even more money with that, okay? And it says new major change. So like I said before, we'd have to wait till it got to 50 to cash out. Now, as a money plugin member, you can cash out at $25, right? That's just a little incentive to get you to also sign up for that, right? And there's no refunds for that. It's one time $20, guys. So don't, they'll know if you're trying to be slick about it. But if you want traffic methods out, let's say you're not really good on social media, right? I have several email lists that I email to right now. And let's say you don't have that and you're starting out. Well, you can actually purchase other people's lists, guys. And these are really simple to do. And for something that's free to sign up, you're going to get more conversions. Think about it. I mean, who doesn't want to sign up for something's free, which is rare? You're not going to find a lot of opportunities out there. Every business opportunity I've been a part of, I had to pay to get into it. So this one is free and you're going to get $5. They're paying you to sign up. So just think about that for a minute, okay? Very rare that happens. So you can get some free traffic, well, not free traffic, guys, but you can get some traffic to this opportunity by going and purchasing solo ads. And they talk about how you can do that on here as well. Now, if you want free traffic, guys, utilize your resources you have at your fingertips YouTube is a wonderful free resources, which is why I use and it's how I get sales and signups. I love YouTube. You're finding me now on YouTube. So that's one resource. You don't have to use your face. As in today, I'm not using my face. I'm using a presentation like you just saw here. I use my face in most of my videos, but today, you know, I wanted to try something a little different. But you don't have to do that if you're uncomfortable. But the idea is to put yourself out there, do something new. If you have if you're embarrassed to be on your Facebook, you don't want to promote business opportunities, maybe create or not trying to be mean, but maybe remove some of those people. You don't want them to see you on there, right? You don't want them. But honestly, guys, you shouldn't care what other people think. That's just a little bit of inspiration here, motivation. What I'm trying to say to you, that those people aren't paying your bills. So you got to kind of get into that mind frame, as far as don't worry about what other people think. You're trying to make money. So if that's somebody like you that you're intimidated by putting yourself out there, I understand it. But if you don't have money to invest in something, those are the only ways you're going to be able to do it. You can also go out and promote flyers and drop cards and things like that. And these are all things that will be taught to you throughout this, as well as you have me as a resource as well. That way, you don't feel like you're alone in this. Okay, guys. So that's kind of all I wanted to share on this. It's pretty self-explanatory. When you log in and sign up to the link, it'll bring you to this page. You'll watch a couple videos, and then right here, it'll say how to get started, guys. Very simple. Sign up. It's easy sign up. It's 100% free to join. There's no paid memberships. You share with your friends and with your link, and you start earning. As simple as that, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, definitely be sure to drop those in the comments. It's a free system, again, to reiterate, and you have the ability to earn unlimited commissions with this. Okay.